Very good question. See, when a patient comes clutching his chest, every chest pain angina? Is every chest pain acute coronary syndrome or STEMI or non-STEMI? No. The patient may be having dissection of aorta, wherein if we give a clot-buster drug, then the whole game is over. Here, good clinical examination, thinking that a chest pain can be something beyond just a heart attack, just using a echocardiography can make us pick up the dissection flap in the aorta or aortic regurgitation. It's a very important diagnosis because once the diagnosis is made, the mortality increases every hour. Then a patient comes to us with acute coronary syndrome, the troponins are positive, and he has got LV wall motion abnormalities. You know that this patient has got an acute MI. There is no point wasting time. Do an echo to see that there is no rupture, that there are wall motion, there is no valve regurgitations, and take this patient up straight to the cath lab. So a holistic knowledge of clinical biomarkers and echocardiography will make this person stronger because he has not then missed any diagnosis. He is taking, if it is for primary angioplasty, he knows that what the patient's pressure is, what is his heart function. He can tell the relatives that this is 1 hour old, already complete anterior wall is hypokinetic. With the opening up of the LAD territory, he will be better. So, and later on, if the patient develops a murmur, he has a ventricoseptal rupture, he has mitral regurgitation, his pressure falls, he knows what's to be done when an IABP has to be inserted. So I think with clinical acumen, with knowledge of echocardiography, put into the realm of acute coronary care units, he will be able to save and detect disease much earlier. In our Heart Command Center, there is one echocardiography machine positioned all the time. Nobody can actually touch that machine except for the acute care patients because they have problems every time. And you need to, for example, a patient is looking dehydrated. All you have to do is to look at his inferior vena cava. He's on a less strip. You don't know whether we should increase it, decrease it. The urine volume is coming down. Have a look at his inferior vena cava. Have you dehydrated him or the inferior vena cava is still full? So in clinical decision making, good clinical sense and of course, very good use of echocardiography will help this patient, help this doctor in treating his patients in a much better fashion.